Cooking oil safety explained through real use. One pan changed everything. I did not question my cooking oil. It sat there quietly, used daily, heated again and again, until one day the smell changed. Not burned, just sharp, and my stomach noticed before my brain did. That moment sent me down a rabbit hole. Labels, smoke points, and what heat actually does to fats. This is not fear. It is chemistry. Many common oils are unstable at high heat. According to the National Institutes of Health, when certain oils overheat, they oxidize, forming harmful byproducts. The goal is stability, not banning all fats. The main problem: oil. Refined vegetable oils high in omega-6, corn oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, especially when reheated. Why this matters? These oils contain polyunsaturated fats. They break down easily under heat. Oxidation creates aldehydes. These compounds stress cells. This mechanism is discussed in food chemistry journals. Simple explanation: unstable fats react badly to heat. What shocked me? It was not instant symptoms. It was subtle: digestive discomfort, heavy feeling, and inflammation that faded when the oil changed. Better options exist. Olive oil for low to medium heat. Its monounsaturated fats are more stable. This is supported by Mayo Clinic nutrition research. For higher heat, avocado oil or clarified butter. They tolerate heat better. Due to higher smoke points. Dose matters. Oil is calorie-dense. More is not better. Not all bodies react the same. Some tolerate certain oils better. Genetics and gut health play roles. How I changed my routine. One oil per purpose. No reheating oils. Fresh oil only. Lower heat when possible. Storage mattered too. Light and air accelerate oxidation. Dark bottles helped. Possible downsides exist. Excess fat affects digestion. Some oils trigger sensitivities. Always consult a doctor for health decisions. Tracking made it obvious. Less bloating, lighter meals, better energy after eating. Like the video if this surprised you. This is not about panic. It is about smarter cooking. Change one oil today. Your body notices the difference.